Vertiv Liebert PSI5 Lithium-Ion UPS 3000 VA, the backup power monster you didn't see coming. Stuck staring at screens that suddenly go black. Frustrated by outages, downtime, and flaky backup units that fail when you need them most? Every crash feels like wasted hours, lost focus, and zero motivation to keep grinding. It's overwhelming, draining, and enough to make even seasoned IT pros question if reliable uptime is just a pipe dream instead of a reality. Now imagine the pressure of critical systems teetering on the edge, stress piling sky high, burnout creeping closer every day, and golden opportunities slipping away with each blackout. Every second offline feels like money burning. The pain of unreliable gear is more than technical. It's personal, punishing, and soul-crushing as your team and reputation hang on fragile, failing protection. The Vertiv Liebert PSI5 Lithium-Ion UPS 3000 VA or 2700 watts steps in as the breakthrough that flips chaos into calm. Built with lithium-ion batteries lasting up to 3 times longer than lead-acid, this 2U rack or tower unit offers extended runtime, 20 minutes at half load, nearly 9 at full. Recharge? Done in under 3 hours, fast enough to keep you ahead. Pure sine wave output with AVR ensures stable, clean power, while hot-swappable batteries minimize downtime. The rotating LCD plus Vertiv monitoring keeps you fully in control. Picture this, a hospital edge cabinet about to lose critical data mid-surgery prep. This UPS kicks in seamlessly, buys time, and saves the day. That moment of breath you didn't think you'd have? This machine delivers it without missing a beat. Why are pros raving? Because the PSI5 Lithium-Ion isn't just a UPS, it's uptime insurance with swagger. Experts at Data Center Solutions magazine call it the new standard for efficiency and reliability. Analysts hail its compact 2U form factor, saying it's perfect for space-starved racks. Network admins rave. Recharges in 2 hours. Flawless monitoring, 0 issues. Telecom engineers love the weight savings and whisper-quiet operation. One cloud architect swears by its AVR for taming dirty power, calling it a lifesaver for edge deployments. And users? 20 minutes runtime gave us the buffer we needed to shut down safely. No panic, no stress. With a 5-year advanced replacement warranty covering even the battery, this isn't a gamble. It's peace of mind delivered to your rack. Lithium tech means fewer replacements, lower TCO, greener operation, and reliability that keeps your blood pressure down. What's hidden behind the sleek 2U design? A power beast that works harder than you thought possible. Ready to see why so many trust Vertiv? Limited stock. Don't wait for the next outage to ruin your day. The Vertiv Liebert PSI5 Lithium-Ion UPS 3000 VA is selling fast. Secure yours today. Join thousands of IT pros, hospitals, and edge sites already running stress-free. Act now, because once they're gone, you're back to fragile downtime roulette. Seize this chance, protect your systems, and breathe easy. Your uptime deserves nothing less. Tomorrow's blackout won't wait. Neither should you.